So we recommend a leisure pool completely. We have been simply loving this.
It was specifically leisure pools that we wanted to go with because they had this sun shelf for our young toddlers to play in.
We realize that it's definitely the way to go with our kids.
Smaller children can be safe and can play.
We have dogs, we've always had dogs, and the dogs love the pool.
The Cocker Spaniels love to swim.
If you have a pool with a liner, you'd have to worry about a dog breaking the liner.
Oh, really?
They put the water in it, they were in.
Yep.
I don't have to worry. The fiberglass is not going to get damaged whatsoever.
It's super easy to clean.
It's easy to clean, it stays clean.
It takes me 20 minutes to clean this pool.
Fiberglass, I know, has got a very good reputation for durability.
It's got texture on the bottom so it doesn't slip.
It's a great feel to the touch.
There's no pulls on your suit.
It holds the heat in the water.
So we find that we're not having to heat the pool most of the year.
The water's been perfect. We haven't needed to heat the pool at all.
I have yet to fill up the tank, which is a godsend to me.
Going with the theme of the house, I like timeless, clean design.
I like the catalogs and the designs. I felt they had a lot.
The leisure pools seem to have the best reputation, growing, and their product is everything that they said it was.
There were other options, but I'm glad I chose leisure.
Took Albert Landscaping Group's recommendation and very happy with Leisure Pools. High quality pool, lifetime warranty. We're very satisfied with it.
This is something out of a magazine and it's right in our backyard.